Hello, Mike Marcella, MS Classic Cars. Today's road test, 1969 Subaru 360. What do you think, Corey? So, I've never driven this. I have no idea what we're up against. Let's go have some fun, Corey.
It'll be a fun one, all right.
Yeah, well, no, let's go for it.
Yep.
I did have it running a minute ago because I wasn't, still learning a little bit. Ooh, fired right up. Let's go for it. Nice. She's geared nice and low. All right, Corey, just wanted to get across the street before we restarted the video. Oh, Corey, the speedo's not working.
Oh, yeah.
When I get back, we will take care of that.
Horn works. Cruising, Mike.
Cruising. It's got another gear, but I don't know. I never tried it. Let's see what it says. Oh, overdrive. Nice. Look at that. Actually, it gets a little bit better. I'm just touching the gas. Nice little back road cruiser.
Yeah, not bad.
Better than I thought. I mean, it's not fast.
No, but I don't think you'd want to go fast.
No, I mean, I don't think these cars were ever meant to be on a super highway. Feels pretty good. What do you think? Third gear. Nice. Get used to shifting it. I know it's not synchronized in front. What do you think? Go back? Yeah, why not?
It's got a good turning radius.
Oh, yeah, it turns good. Getting used to it now, Corey. Big time. Let's go.
Big power.
Oh, yeah. Ripping. Yeah, but it drives good. I don't think anybody's buying it for power.
No.
But you take this to a little local cruise, you go overdrive. You get used to the shifting.
I mean, the ride's pretty smooth for the bumps and
No, it's
everything.
tight. Feels
Steering,
good.
yeah,
Brakes
steering
feel
looks
good.
tight.
Steering's good. I'm getting the hang of it now. A couple of cool car shows near my house. They're like at a park. So you can cruise around the park.
Yep.
This guy turns in front of me, we're all set. Done. Not bad. I mean, maybe quarter pedal to keep it at speed. Oh yeah. Nice. Definitely gotta get used to it though.
Yeah.
Try not to grab Corey's leg.
Yeah, it's a little close.
tight.
A little tight.
Let's see, second gear. Get used to it. Busy section here.
Not too bad though, Mike.
Hello everyone, it's Mark Scholero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and I thank you for watching this video. MS Classic Cars only specializes in number 1 and number 2 condition, show quality inventory. We truly have something for everyone. We take great pride in servicing and detailing every vehicle that we sell, and we document the work with an invoice. We appreciate it if you follow us on social media, and make sure to sign up for our VIP newsletter. As always, rock and roll.